Here are the top 5 reasons why your car won't fucking start. And the last one is complete disaster. Number 5, you ran out of gas. Yeah, dumbass, it happens more than you think. Check the fuel gauge before panicking about expensive repairs. Could save you from looking like an idiot. Number 4, dead battery. Batteries don't last forever. They need replacing every few years. If your lights are dim or clicking sounds happen when turning the key, that's your battery saying, fuck you. Jump it or replace it. Number 3, starter died. This motor spins your engine to get it going. When it fails, you hear clicking or grinding noises, but engine won't turn over. Starters wear out over time, especially in hot climates or with lots of short trips. Number 2, spark plugs need changing. Old worn plugs can't ignite fuel properly. Your engine might crank but won't fire up and run. Replace them every 30 to 60,000 miles depending on type. Cheap fix that prevents this bullshit. Number 1, your engine seized the fuck up. Your motor is completely dead. Game over. Rebuild or replacement time. Absolute nightmare scenario that costs thousands. Subscribe for more car facts.